by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from Paint Centre Illovo, a Plascon paint expert store and member of Paint Club.
The store's been in the area for about 45 years now, I think, and we've recently started off a new revamp of the store, and we've been open under the new brand since 2nd of May. It all goes back to childhood, I think. My dad used to be in the paint industry for a very long time. I think it's always been a dream for me and my dad to own a Plascon store one day. We've been in other industries for the last couple of years, and we finally opened a Plascon one now, and I think it's a proud moment, yeah. We've got about, between our team here, we've got about 70 plus years experience combined, and we specialize in eye matching, color matching, and a service, a turnaround time that we supply to our customers. I think the Plascon brand brings a different customer. It brings a customer with confidence to the store, that they know that they trust the brand, and there aren't a lot of negative questions around when they want to purchase something. It's always what they want, what they need. I think my favorite Plascon product would have to be Plascon Velvet Glow water-based. It can be used interior, exterior, multiple surfaces like wood, steel, and on walls. I think just the finish that you get from it is great. DIY tip has to be when you have bleeding that occurs when you use masking tape and the paint actually goes underneath the masking tape and leaves those little thin lines. I think the best way to do that is to paint an existing color over the masking tape, the existing color on the wall, and then paint your final coat on top to stop the bleeding from coming through. I think DIY motto has to be trust in the staff that works at the paint expert stores. They have great technical knowledge, and we have the expertise to help with your DIY projects.
Handy heroes powered by Plascon. Together, we've got